Hi there. So a few things to share with you, and for those that know me, you know I've been dealing with chronic health issues for decades. It's been a relentless journey. All the various food intolerances, GI issues, aches and pains, headaches, being overly sensitive to odors, chronic Lyme, chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, and much more. So after trying everything, I felt broken. I was stuck. Early on, prior to my chronic disease situation, I was tough on myself and I did not know it at the time, but I continually engaged with perfectionism, along with having a type A personality, putting extreme amounts of pressure on myself, and the ensuing stress was just overwhelming. As there just wasn't enough time in the day to keep up with the demands of life. So my body started to shut down, giving me signs to change, but I didn't listen, as I had responsibilities and commitments to attend to, and one should just man up, right? After decades of allopathic and functional medicine interventions and the never-ending supplement protocols, I have come to realize that one cannot resolve multifactorial issues with monotype approaches, or heal in the same environment which got them there in the first place. And yes, while supplements and allopathic methods are oftentimes necessary, however, it goes way beyond the biochemical. These things are only a small piece of the puzzle. We need to look into our emotions. We need to look into our mindset, and we need to practice more self-love and being compassionate with ourselves and forgiving our mistakes. As such, my hero's journey recently has been more of a spiritual quest, letting go of looking outside of myself and going within. Taking 100% responsibility for my life, exiting the victim mindset, learning to quiet the inner critic, being aware of my emotions, and resolving subconscious behaviors, traumatic or otherwise. So in this process, along with my wellness code certification, I also became a certified whole wellness coach. Both of these dive deep, way beyond that biochemical. And these two programs have helped me immensely in my recovery and take my coaching practice to a whole nother dimension. While I still have work to do, I am at a place to where I no longer feel broken, and that everything and not just anything is possible. I now coach a program that's called Break Free Mind, known as BFM. And I also integrate my functional medicine training into my coaching practice for a truly holistic approach. BFM helped me unravel decades of suppressed emotions and traumas in a relatively short amount of time, instead of years. And I've learned about myself, the inner critic, my fears, and the subconscious. And in the pursuit of forgiveness, I learned how to be compassionate and gentle to myself. So if you feel like you're stuck and you've tried everything, it's time for a new approach and to look inwards. Because everything that you need is within you right now. And that is what's going to help you heal. Drop from your headspace and into your heart. If you want to improve your health, follow your dreams, live your truth, and find your purpose, then stay tuned as I'll be sharing more in the upcoming week ahead. With love, light, and joy, I'll see you then.